Day 18, SO Exam Preparation General Knowledge, Science or English Questions. General Knowledge. 1. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? Answer, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 2. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer, Mars. 3. Which is the longest river in India? Answer, Ganga. 4. Who wrote the Indian National Anthem? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. 5. What is the currency of Japan? Answer, Japanese yen. 6. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Answer, Shah Jahan. 7. What is the capital of Australia? Answer, Canberra. 8. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Answer, Kolkata. 9. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer, Wular Lake. 10. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Answer, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. 11. Which battle led to the establishment of British rule in India? Answer, Battle of Plassey. 12. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. 13. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Answer, Goa. 14. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Answer, Rajasthan. 15. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 16. Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? Answer, Godavari River. 17. What is the capital of Bhutan? Answer, Thimphu. 18. Which Indian scientist invented the crystallograph? Answer, Jagadish Chandra Bose. 19. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer, the President of India. 20. What is the name of the first satellite launched by India? Answer, Aryabhat. Science. 21. What is the chemical formula of water? Answer, Bice. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Answer, vitamin D. 23. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? Answer, diamond. 24. Which part of the human body controls balance? Answer, cerebellum. 25. What is the C unit of force? Answer, Newton. English. 26. Choose the correct synonym for magnificent. A. Ordinary. B. Grand. C. Simple. D. Small. Answer, B. Grand. 27. Identify the correct sentence. A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She didn't like coffee. Answer, C. She doesn't like coffee. 28. Find the correctly spelled word. A. Accommodation. B. Accommodation. C. Accommodation. D. Accommodation. Answer, C. Accommodation. 29. Fill in the blank. He has been working here 2018. Answer, since. 30. Choose the correct antonym of expand. A. Increase. B. Contract. C. Grow. D. Extend. Answer, B. Contract. Stay updated. Like, share or subscribe to know more at SS for daily SO exam questions.